furniture trolley. This is a way that we can help rearrange the furniture and take what was once maybe a two-man job and make it a one-woman show. So this 16-piece set, under $30, has been very popular here at QVC. So whether it's to rearrange your furniture, move it from one room to another, or maybe just to clean underneath, this is going to be the tool to help you do it. Kylie Watts, you know she always brings us great solutions for her home and has been doing so now for almost 10 years. Getting there, girl.
I know.
So she's here with us this morning. So this is our 16-piece set, everything we need to help move our furniture.
That's right, and you said it best. You know, whether you're relocating, rearranging, or just trying to clean, moving furniture is a big job that requires multiple people. So you gotta wait for someone to come help you. You can hurt yourself if you lift something too heavy or damage your floors if you're just trying to drag it. This is gonna give you that freedom to really move anything in your house up to 660 pounds, whether it has legs or without. And you can see up top, those are those trolleys. That's really the heart of this design. Triaxle design on them, so it's going to give you a lot of stability, a lot of movement. That's what can hold 660 pounds. And then right next to it is the ring system. This is going to allow you to adjust the height so you can move things that have legs. And then underneath the trolleys, we have the carpet frames. So that's what's going to allow you to move over hard surfaces or carpet. But the heart of the whole thing is actually this right here. This crowbar, it's a fulcrum design. This is what's going to give you that momentum to move. So let's put it to work.
Let's do it. Let's do it.
So we have a dresser right here that's super, super heavy. Now, I don't want you to hurt yourself, but just go ahead and try to give it a little. Yeah, it's no joke. I think probably even with you and I both couldn't lift this together.
This is a really solid, hefty piece of furniture. So as you said, I don't even know if I could help move it with a second person.
Yes, yes, but this is going to give you that freedom to move it. So now this is something that has legs on it. So I have the ring system. If I didn't have the legs on it, I would slide this right under, prop it up. But with the ring system, that's giving me that freedom to move this stuff as well. So I lock that into place. I'm going to lift this up with one hand, slide that trolley right under so it's centered in below, and then move that one here. Drop that down, lift this all up, and then I'm going to be able to move this. So now this is a heavy piece of furniture, but I want to make it a little bit heavier. So I have my friend Meg out on the side. So Meg, come and hop up here. Let me get my little mic pack that fell off of my pants, put that back on there. And actually, Gabrielle, don't even help me because I want to show you just how much I can move now with Meg on top. Crazy, right?
So we can do this on a hard floor.
Yes.
Can we use these on top of carpet?
We absolutely can. And in fact, we have them on the couch right now, and I could show you that as well.
All right.
So thank you, Meg. I mean, you can hang out if you want to. But so the great thing
you know what, that just makes me think like if the dresser were full.
Yeah.
You know, many times if you move furniture, you empty everything out.
Sure.
So you could leave everything in there and still move it.
You can leave everything in there and still move it up to 660 pounds. So you see Amy right there on the video moving that big dresser. That's a hefty piece of furniture, but she's able to transition onto the couch with that ring system, something that has legs, very quick and very easy with that fulcrum bar. It's just physics. Her weight is kind of leveraging the weight of that couch, centering those trolleys underneath, and then she's going to be able to glide that across the hardwood surface. But there you're seeing it on carpet. With the carpet frames, you just put them on, and that's going to make something that cleaning is a big thing. So move that couch, vacuum behind, you'll make your home feel better. Look at her with the fridge.
Okay.
By herself.
By herself. And then, even outdoor furniture. So really, and that's one where you might move it seasonally. Right. Or as you said, if I'm trying to power clean the deck, that would make it a lot easier to be able to move the furniture than work around it. So you're getting a 16-piece set. The key are the 4 trolleys.
Yes, so the 4 trolleys have a triaxle design on them here. So that's actually what's giving you a lot of stability, a lot of movement there with it. That's going to help you move that furniture. But I'm going to grab the carpet frame here. And this is all you're going to do when you have carpet. So you'll attach this on. And for time's sake, I already have, oops, sorry, there you go. For time's sake, I already have them underneath on this couch here. So on this big carpet, this is why you want to have these. So I can slide this giant couch so easily and take a look at all of the dirt.
My kids were here. But you know what? Something that maybe we don't get to as often because the sofa's in the way.
Right, and this is going to be able to clean. You know, a lot of times you vacuum your house and you're like, it still feels kind of dirty. That's because there's a lot of dirt trapped underneath. So you love this set because it's giving you that freedom to move really heavy pieces of furniture on your own.
Well, you know what? I like to decorate, Kylie, and I do rearrange. But I get on my husband's nerves when I say, okay, let's move it over here. Let's try it over here. Now I could kind of just do it on my own.
Do it on your your own.
See what arrangement I like.
You're not waiting for a second person to come move that furniture for you. And that's what I love about this, that freedom to kind of have that independence to move something that's 660 pounds on your own. Big dressers, whether it's your bedroom, your office, any furniture that you have, you'll be able to move this.
Well, maybe think about if you're, redoing a room in the house, whether it's a guest room, or sometimes things move, as a hand-me-down into the guest room. You said, oh, we're getting a new bedroom set. So now you want to move the old one into another room. You can do it instead of hiring expensive movers, being on their schedule, because it's always a window of time. They're never there at we're going to be there right at 2. So now you can move these pieces up to 660 pounds. That's pretty heavy.
It's very heavy. I think I don't even have anything in my house that weighs 660 pounds.
I mean, that's an upright fridge. That's pretty heavy.
And it's funny story. So my boyfriend owns a construction company, and they were moving a giant big fridge out of a kitchen to do the job, and he hurt his back trying to do it. When I brought these home, he's like, Kylie, can I please borrow that? So even the guys, the big strong men that don't want to admit it, can move something really easily. You're seeing it right there underneath your coffee table, so maybe you want to move that to clean. Maybe you want to move that table to a different spot in the room. That's going to give you that freedom, because remember, we put these on this big heavy dresser, which I can try, and I can't lift this, and I'm really trying. I know you tried too. Go ahead, try again.
It's really heavy. I mean, I'm thinking, oh, I might be able to lift this up a little bit.
Yeah.
I can't.
You can't.
It's really loaded.
You can't budge it at all. But what's great about this is I can push this. I could probably even push it with one hand, which is crazy. Pull it back, and it's moving nice and easy.
And here's the thing. See, as the trolley glides, you're not damaging your floors. You're not gouging out hardwoods. The trolleys, because they're on that axle system, it gives the weight evenly, so you don't harm your surfaces, your flooring. And if you're using carpet, it makes it easy to glide it, because otherwise it would just be catching. And it really would be a struggle.
With those carpet frames, this full set, you're going to be able to do hard surfaces, even outdoor surfaces. So I can move that couch quick and easy, making it cleaning really